What do you want nowadays? I want success nowadays because we all know that success is everything. And other than it, if I talk about material things, so I want a PS3. And other than it, I don't want anything.
Nowadays I want a cycle, a new cycle, brand new cycle with the gear, and I also want to top in this class.
Next.
Nowadays, what are you doing?
Nowadays, I am not doing anything, but just I am going my school and sometimes and I come here. And other than it, Saturday to Saturday, I go to my coding class.
What do you do in your school?
Wait, his answers have to be answered. Yes.
Same question. Nowadays I am doing some studies and playing cricket.
Daily routine. First of all, I wake up and then I get fresh, and then after then, if it is a working day, then I get ready for school. But if it is not a working day, then I do some time pass. And after then, if it is a working day, then I go to school. After 6 hours at 2 o'clock, I get back from school, come back from school, and then I do my homework and learning work. Then I come to CEC, and after going from CEC, I have my dinner, and then I go to sleep. But if it is not a working day, if it's a weekend, so then I have my breakfast while watching TV, and then I play with my friends or watch mobile phone. Then I have my lunch with having TV or mobile phone. Then I do some learning work, and then I play with my friends, and then I have my dinner. Then I watch some TV.
On working day, I wake up first and go get ready for the school. And my school is over on at 1 p.m. And then I go to the tuitions and come to CEC.
Yes.
In your spare time.
I do many things in my spare time, like I study something, or I watch mobile, and I also watch TV in my spare time. And I think that we should not waste time and spare time. We should use spare time in many useful things, like studying, and also if you do not understand any topic, so you can understand it by mobile. That's it.
In my spare time, I watch mobile. Actually, I only get 1 hour time. My mother give me 1 hour time. My hands always be tired because I study a lot. That's why. And I watch mobile, or sometimes I grab knowledge from the Google about the things, like the word meanings, the tough words, etc. Sometimes when my hands are tired, so I watch mobile games, or I watch TV, or I play cricket, football with my brother in the park.
No.
I do many things in my spare time, like I can study. I do many things in my spare time, like I watch mobile and also watch TV. And I think that we should use our spare time in many useful things, like learning some structures, and also we should understand some topic. That's it.
Actually, in my favorite subject, which I can tell is my all subjects, but my most favorite subject is maths. I learn it. I can use. I think that it is easy from all the subjects. Like in Hindi, there are 2 parts. In maths, in English there are 2 parts: language and literature. So we have to learn it. both the subjects we have to learn it. But maths
think that my favorite subject is science because I want to become a scientist, and there is many good things in science like chemistry, physics, and biology. I think that they are important in our life because they are daily things that happens in our life. That's why I like science, and I also like experiments and also electronic gadgets. That's it.
How do you feel standing there?
I feel very confident standing there because I have learned standing because I practice every day in CC, and also I feel very
Confident.
confident.
Answer.
I feel confident standing there. First time when I stand there, I felt nervous, but now I am standing, so I am feeling confident because I know English, and I am working on my English, and but I can speak English in front of everyone. And if we will stand again and again here by speaking topics, etc., paragraph, etc., so we can, our hesitation problem can be removed, and we can extend our, it also helps in our like speaking thing. We can also improve our speaking skills, like we can speak paragraph, etc., in a long time, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, etc. Limited, like it is not limited, it has grammar part. It increases our learning skills, and all subjects like maths we choose, so we can see that it is useful in our daily life, like shops. We can calculate faster, like in maths, and if the shopkeeper has amounted us 360 and we have not calculated, so we can give it a wrong amount. If we have calculated, so we can correct the shopkeeper that it is this is like this. In Hindi, in EVS we can learn about science. It is combined of science and social studies. We can learn it so that we can get knowledge about everything. It is also combined with GK, etc. So English and all subjects are necessary for us to learn.